Hi, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today was one of those days. I set out to do a blowout, and the first one didn't go well. The second one went better, but in essence, it still didn't meet the grade. So my philosophy when I am working with paint is if at the end of the day, I look at the painting, I say, do I want to hang this on my wall? And if the answer is no, I scrape it. Yeah, I lose some paint, but it's better that than live with something that isn't what you're looking for. So you're gonna have days like that. We all have days like that. So we're gonna get down to it. I'm gonna talk about my colors real quickly, and I'll talk about what went wrong at the end. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna start this again. You can see that I started to do one and it was just not laying right. So I scraped it all into the middle. This was on a repurposed canvas, so it's okay. So let's lay the colors down again. Honestly, I started out with a different layer method before. I think I'm going to change that up just a little bit and see what we can come up with.
What's left of last night behind, and I need to get some peace of mind. And when I need some peace of mind, I know where to find it. Is by the end of the road. So I walk and I keep on walking. I wear are a mess. As I walk, and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. I walk until my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further, 'cause I can't keep my mind off things I'd be better off to leave behind. Gotta be careful not to get stuck. And so I walk and I keep on walking. I wear are a mess. As I walk, and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road.
Okay, I want to talk about this just a few minutes and explain to you what's going on with it. If we go down, you can see, I'm going to start with the positive. You can see that the color play, especially through this area, is pretty special. I really do love the color play. That right there is, you can't see in this light, but that's the brulee that got picked up by the white, and it actually looks really nice in the right light. The hard lines here, I'm not crazy about them, but they're not horrible. What's going to go wrong with this, you look at this area here, it's already starting to fracture. The cells there are not going to hold and they're going to sink. Possibly the same thing here. And a few other places there. So I'm thinking right now that this is really not a keeper. And I sadly will be scraping this guy again and starting over. But it has aspects I really like. I'm probably going to diminish the amount of colors I'm using and see if I can put together something that I like. My goal always when I paint, if it's not something I want to hang in my own house, it's probably something I don't want to keep. So, and I really wouldn't want to hang this in my house. So let's do a flyover and you can take a look at the whole thing in time and we'll be right back.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
As always, I want to thank you very much for being here. I know your time is valuable, and I hope that you got something out of this failure today. So until next time, bye for now.